Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Hi, my name is Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So 2021 is gonna end very soon और एक और साल हमने घर बैठे बैठे बिता दिया. So anyways, let's keep that thing aside and let's move on to the today's topic, which is my makeup favorites of 2021. So this year I have bought a lot of new makeup और उसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं which has become my favorite, and today I'm gonna show you my top favorites from all of that, and most of them, नहीं all of them are affordable except one or two if I'm not wrong. और affordable इसलिए भी रखा है ताकि हर कोई आराम से खरीद सके, and they are actually my favorite. I just love them. Though I'll not be able to share everything, but सारे favorites में से जो टॉप फेवरेट्स है ना वो तो आज मैं ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी. सो वीडियो को बिना स्किप किए एंड तक देखना. एंड सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट दिखाऊंगी नहीं, उसके साथ साथ विल बी गिविंग मिनी रिव्यूज़ ऑन देम टू. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड अंटिल द एंड, एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल देन प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन बिलो, ताकि जब भी कोई न्यू वीडियो है तो सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास ही है. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम देन गो एंड फॉलो राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई एम मोस्ट एक्टिव देयर. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with the primer, I have a very affordable and very amazing primer guys. So this is Insight ka 3-in-1 primer which costs for rupees 250, and it is a silicone based primer, but every skin type can use this. I will prefer कि ड्राई नॉर्मल जो कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप्स है वो इसको समर सीजन में यूज़ करे, विंटर्स में उतना यूज़ ना करे तो अच्छा है. बट फॉर ऑयल स्किन टाइप इट्स फॉर ऑल डे ऑल सीजन्स एंड थ्रू आउट द ईयर प्रोडक्ट. लाइक इट्स अ सिलिकॉन बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि आप अप्लाई करते हो ना तो ये बिल्कुल एकदम आपकी स्किन को ड्राई कर देता है. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. इट एक्चुअली हाइड्रेट्स एंड मॉइस्चराइजेज योर फेस एज वेल. और ये जो पोर्स ब्लर करता है ना, मतलब मैं क्या बताऊँ, अंडर 250 इट प्राइम्स वेल, इट कवर्स योर पोर्स एंड इट मॉइस्चराइजेज वेल बीइंग एन सिलिकॉन बेस्ड प्राइमर. मतलब क्या ही चाहिए और कुछ. एंड इट स्टेज फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम, गिव्स अ स्मूथ मैट बेस फॉर योर फाउंडेशन. इसको लगाने के बाद ना फाउंडेशन भी बहुत अच्छा बैठता है, अच्छा सेट होता है. आई हैव अप्लाइड इट टुडे ऑल्सो एंड आई रियली लव दिस. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द मेन बेस प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, सो एकदम मतलब फेस मेकअप के रूटीन वाइज ही चलते हैं. आई एम स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द बेस मेकअप. सो आई हैव दिस मार्स स्किन परफेक्शन कलर करेक्टिंग बीबी क्रीम. सो ये भी मैंने कुछ दिन पहले एक हॉल में दिखाया था. मैंने उतने ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुए इसको खरीदे हुए, बट इट हैज़ बिकेम माई फेवरेट गाइस. सो इसका शेड मुझे याद नहीं है क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में शेड दिखा रहा था, बट यहाँ पे कहीं पैकेजिंग में लिखा नहीं है शेड. ठीक है, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस. इट कम्स फॉर ₹249 एंड इट हैज़ अ शेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ 4 years. तो आपको पैकेजिंग तो बहुत ही सुंदर मिलती है यहाँ पे. इट्स वेरी क्लासी ट्यूब बॉटल kind of thing. It's a skin perfecting color correcting BB cream. It actually color corrects your face quite good, and though it has a 5 to 6 shade, and I think that's great for BB creams because generally now in BB creams and CC cream you will not get lot of shade ranges. So this is really good and absolutely amazing for Indian skin tones. So obviously it's not a high coverage thing, but it does gives you a medium coverage if you layer it up 2 times. Otherwise it gives a beautiful sheer to medium coverage. I generally don't like wearing high coverage foundations or anything like that. I usually wear mostly medium coverage foundations and BB cream. So this has been a really good option for me. It actually blends out really well. It's very lightweight, not heavy at all, and it gives you a beautiful subtle glow after applying. Though every skin type can use it. I have a very oily skin type. Still I love to use this. It will be a very good option if you are looking for something you can use on a daily basis or for a day out or every day out. So it will be a really good option which you can obviously invest on, and it is affordable. So एक बार इसको try कर ही लो, and I really love it. So that's it for this one. Let's move on to another base product. So this is also a BB foundation. This is My Glam's Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB foundation in the shade Oak. So it is a bit expensive, as I told कि not all the things are affordable. 2 to 3 things are a bit expensive. This costs for rupees 995, and I know comparing to its size, it's really pricey, but I'm showing it to you guys just because of the quality of the product, not about the quantity and the price. So I have the shade Oak with me. It's a stick BB foundation which gives you a sheer to medium coverage, and obviously it's buildable. So मैं इसको बहुत दिनों से यूज़ करी हूँ and it is almost finished. ये इतना तक आया था. I mean the quantity was not very less. मतलब मैं बहुत सारे यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. I have been using this from like starting of this year, and I have used it today also, and it gives a really good coverage and really color corrects your skin as well, and it's very lightweight, and obviously you can wear it on a daily basis, and also great if you want to attend any parties or weddings too. I generally use this a lot, either it's for my videos or for the outside occasions. And the main thing why I use this a lot, because it's the exact match of my skin tone, and it really goes very well with my skin tone. And do try it out if you have a budget. Why you can skip this, बट आई रियली लव दिस. और ये ख़त्म हो ही गया है, वो आपको देख के पता चल गया होगा. सो अभी बेस प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे डन हैं. अभी बढ़ते हैं हम लोग कंसीलर की तरफ. फॉर द कंसीलर वी आर बैक विद आवर अफोर्डेबल रेंजेस. सो दिस इज स्विस ब्यूटी लिक्विड कंसीलर विच कॉस्ट फॉर रुपीज 229, and I'm sure you have heard about this everywhere right now because everyone loves this. I mean, why not? Okay, so that I have with me is 04, though it's very light than my skin tone. I generally use this to brighten up my under eyes and as a base for my eye makeup. It really does a good job, though it's very light to my skin tone, but फिर भी ना ये एकदम greyish नहीं हो जाता है. If you buy some concealers ना and if it's quite light then your skin tone ना जब आप उसको apply करते हो ना वो greyish हो जाता है, but ये नहीं होता है. It does actually works great, and I'll show you. See, this is quite lighter than my skin tone. See, but it's a great option for, you know, your eye bases and for brightening your under eyes. Not at all patchy. You just need a little bit of a product and it will do the thing. It gives a quite impressive coverage, and I really love this concealer. So I am showing just the products I love, and this was the only concealer right now that I'm obsessed with, so that's why I'll be showing only this one. And now let's move on to some other thing. Okay, wait, I have forgotten about one more thing, which is I have another concealer palette which I have totally forgotten about. So this is the Insight Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. I have the color corrector variant. So इसके बारे में ना मैं ज़्यादा कुछ इस वीडियो में नहीं कहूँगी, क्योंकि मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर पूरी एक अलग वीडियो बनाए रखी है जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, तो उसको चेकआउट करना मत भूलना. बट फिर भी मैं थोड़ा बहुत बता दूँ कि दिस इज़ रियली क्रीमी इन टेक्स्चर. It blends out really well, and it does have another concealer palette which has all the concealing shades and contour shades. So this one has contour shades and all the color corrector shades, and as it's cost for just rupees 190, buy it before even any second thought. But उससे पहले फिर भी कोई भी थॉट, कोई भी गड़बड़, कोई भी डाउट है मन में, तो जाके मेरी वीडियो देखना मत भूलना. मैंने एकदम अच्छे से सब बता रखा है, इसके हर एक शेड को मैंने यूज़ करा है वहाँ पे. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो जो कि आपको देखनी ही चाहिए. तो जल्दी जाके उसको भी देखना, लेकिन ये वीडियो फिनिश करने के बाद, वरना आप बहुत कुछ मिस कर जाओगे. सो एनीवेज, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. टाइम फॉर माई फेवरेट थिंग विच आर ब्लशेस इज द Stay Quirky Cheeky Girls blush in the shade Coral Chick. Anyways, one thing that it doesn't do what it claims is that the shade is Coral Chick, but it is absolutely not a coral shade. It is more into a pink, kind of pinky shade. But I have to say the quality is really amazing. Just look at the pigmentation, is very pigmented. Cost for just rupees 299, and you will even get it on discounts every time. Okay, the packaging, I have to say, it's very cute, very travel friendly and all, and the quality is also great. The quantity is like a normal छोटू blush, but it चलेगा आपको बहुत दिन ही है क्योंकि it's very pigmented and it actually glides on your skin really smoothly. It's not harsh, और ये ऐसा नहीं कि blend करने में problem होता है. It blends out really good. It stays for a really long time, and it absolutely a great option if you are looking for a blush or your first blush. If you are going to buy your first blush or something under affordable, so do try it out and let me know if you like it or not. Now let's move on to another one. If we are talking about blushes, how can I not add this one? Absolutely, you guessed it right. It's the Sugar Contour the Force Mini Blush. So the shade I have is Salmon Superstar, and this blush has to one of my favorite blush and like ideal for Indian skin tones. It has a lot of shades available, but I picked up the shade Salmon Superstar because it's kind of mauvish, peachy blush. I had mostly the pink kind of blushes, so I really need a peachy corally kind of blush, so that's why I got the shade. It costs for rupees 349. So let me just show you the pigmentation. It's very pigmented, but it will not show up in my hand that much. Now see, it is very peachy corally kind of shade. Let me tell you one thing, it doesn't blend like a dream. You have to do some hard work to blend it out. मतलब ना अगर pigmentation like it is very pigmented, तो बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आ जाता है ना तो blend करने में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है. ब्रश से उतनी मतलब आसानी से blend नहीं होता है. So I have to use my fingers for blending it out evenly. मतलब अगर ज़्यादा pigmentation आ जाता है तो, वरना otherwise it's good. But I really love this. It will go a long way. Now I have some lippies from Inside Cosmetics. So the white ones are the gloss and the black caps one are the lipsticks. So I have to say this is one of the best lipstick under budget. I have the glosses and lipsticks both. So glosses cost for rupees 81 and the lipsticks for 90 rupees. You will get it in discount obviously. Just can you believe for such low price you are getting such amazing products? Like, I love them. I have a brown and red shade of lipstick and a brown and a clear gloss. So the glosses are actually very good. I'm wearing the brown kind of glitz shade, the shade name is glitz. I'm wearing this gloss right now and this is a clear one. The lipsticks are my favorite, guys. Just moisturize your lips before applying it and you will just love this. Love this. I really love these. It's not like that like it's a very cheap lipstick that means it's very drying on your lips. It's not at all like that. It's like a normal liquid lipstick. Just need to moisturize your lips well before applying this and you are good to go. I mean it. Now the thing that I have is one of the best product in this lot. This is the Mars Fabulash Mascara, which I have said 100 times that how much I love this, be it on my Insta stories or in YouTube videos. It's amazing. I actually didn't remember the exact price, but it costs for around rupees 169. It's not more than 200, I can assure you. Actually works really great. Like, let me open this. It has a quite big wand and which actually curls up your lashes really well. It volumizes it and it works really amazing. In just one coat it gives such a good length to your eyelashes. I have no words. मतलब 2-3 कोट देने के बाद तो एकदम क्या ही बताऊँ, इट्स लुक अमेजिंग. यू डोंट इवन नीड 2 to 3 कोट्स, ओके, बट वरना थोड़ा सा क्लम्पी लगने लगता है ये. In 1 to 2 coats it gives amazing length and volume to your eyelashes and works really amazing. This is one of my favorite thing which I use wherever I go out. This is like my daily out and one of the holy grail product, I would say. And when I say I love it, I mean it, okay? So do try it out. This is the thing you really need to try it out. It's so affordable and obviously we struggle to find a mascara which is good and affordable at the same time, right? So just go for it. This is the one. Now the last product of the video has to be a lipstick. So I have this Bellora Paris liquid lipstick which is a bit pricey. It's for 600 rupees, but let's keep the price aside. Talk about the quality. The packaging is really good. The shade I have is French Red, which is a beautiful red color, which I've also used in my recent Christmas look video. Anyways, about the lipstick, so it has a pretty applicator, like this kind of shaped applicator, which is really good for defining your lips. And I have to say, like, just moisturize your lips a bit. Like applying any liquid lipstick na, just you have to moisturize your lips, वरना dry out तो हो गई. So it stays for a really long time. अगर आप इसमें ज़्यादा लिप बाम ना भी लगाओ ना, फिर भी यू विल अप्लाई ना, उतना ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट ये नहीं होता है, ठीक है. द कलर पे ऑफ द पिगमेंटेशन इज रियली गुड. एंड I mean, in just one swipe, you get the exact color. The shade is a French red, and absolutely, it's just a loving shade as its name. I have to say this. I love this lipstick. I love this shade. I love everything about this. Okay, though it's a bit pricey, rather than that, it's amazing. So I got it as a PR, and I really love it now. I mean, how someone cannot love this one? So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you loved the products, and do try it out because I'm sure you will also love them too. And itne tak video dekhi liye to don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Now I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and a very happy, prosperous and a safe new year.